Hi, I'm Oliver, age 24, and you're watching my new web series, How to Dance Really Good. We're going to kick things off today with the bird dance, which is a dance you can do in any occasion to any kind of music. You could do it at a gig, in the library, at a wedding, or even at a nightclub when you're trying to impress somebody. Now, to do the bird dance, you need to learn how to do the birding technique, and that's where you flap your arms up and down like a bird. You'll probably recognise this dance as it was made famous by Swan Lake, which is pretty much 3 hours of birding non-stop. The best way to learn how to dance is through demonstration, so here I am with some of my friends, Mad Hatter, B-Type and MC Rection, and we're going to do some bird dancing for you, so let's take it away.